Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to know your Amazon video password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. First of all, you just simply have to open your Prime Video application and then click to your profile options at the top right corner, and from there click to gear option, and after going into gear click to my account and go to manage accounts section. And if you have forgotten your account password, you just simply have to click into this edit on Amazon option, and after going into that edit and Amazon option, it will ask you for your email or phone number. You just simply have to enter your email address into this box and then click to continue. And then now in this section, if you have forgotten your password, you just simply have to tap into this forget password and it will send you a verification code into your email address, and then you can reset your password from here, and then you will easily know your Amazon Prime's password. By following these very easy steps, you can easily reset or know your password in Amazon Prime. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.